Okay, first impressions of the MX650. This thing is nuts. It's crazy fun. We're having a really good time with it, but it's got a lot of power. And mode 1, you can ride a pretty decent wheelie. You don't have a lot of power to recover. Mode 2, it'll flip you on your back if you're not careful. Mode 3 is even worse than that. It's a heck of a lot of fun. Like watching Sur Ron's video and seeing him hooting and hollering when he took it off a ride. That's exactly how I feel after riding it for a while. You know, and I'm an older dude, 230 pounds, and you know, it's a good time. So my son has more fun than me. He's getting pretty good. We're kind of doing a wheelie progression. I have a hard time on this because the balance point for me, I don't know if my center of gravity is so high, but it just wants to flip over. You gotta be real sensitive, really smooth on the throttle. Okay, so we just put this GPS on here. Should we slide it up a little? I don't know if that's in the way or not, but you can't see the numbers. You gotta like cover. It's 82.9. Supposed to be what, 84 fresh, but they say when you charge it, it's a little below. All right, Max, put it in this, whatever this is, number 1, and see what it does. Go slow first. You know, don't hit the gas till you're pointed somewhere safe.
Ready?
All right. Oh, we need some lube for the chain. We'll do that in a second. What number is that? Hey Max, come over here. Let's lube the chain. Let's lubricate the chain. Is that still on 1?
That was 33.
Was that on number 1?
Yeah.
Okay. Bring it over here. Let's lubricate the chain. And I think that goes out here. Hey, Echo. Watch out, Echo. It could be better, that's for sure. Oh, hey, buddy. This one's hard. Is that a 2 or 1? What? We might have to move the handlebars forward a little. It looks like the
Goes up real quick.
the handlebars are kind of angled back.
Yeah.
Maybe you want them straight. Try it in 0.
No, it was 0.
Oh.
That was 0.
All right. Let's see.
Is that the top one?
Huh?
Is that the top
I don't know. See how fast it goes. It's gotta be.
It's gotta be, because it just went.
Give it, whack it. That looks fast. Echo, how fast do you think that's going? It looks like he's going 40. fast?
I think zero's the top speed one.
How fast did you get to?
You could get up to 40 on the zero.
Does it say here?
I didn't go all the way on the zero though yet.
I think it tells your top speed somewhere. Nah, maybe not. Just tells your altitude.
Zero, I think the top one though.
So is a wheelie like at 5 miles an hour?
Definitely should.
Yeah.
It doesn't turn off till you tap the brake, which is weird.
Oh yeah, you gotta get used to that. It'll freewheel when you let off the gas. Whoa! Maybe try it in a 2. Is it pretty smooth?
Yeah.
Try the wheelie in the 2. Does it do it in a 2?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta look for a strap, Max.
Yeah.
When you go down there, come to the garage. First wheelie attempts. This is level 1 he's doing wheelies in. Hey Max, let's check the rear tire pressure. Let's check the rear tire pressure. Well, let's bring it over. Let's check it out. Okay. He's trying it in level 2 right now. I think that might be easier. Says level 3 is pretty violent. Not used to using the rear brake or the whole wheelie. Gotta take some practice. Day 1. Day 1 wheelie practice on the mini bike. What's Echo? What's up, Echo?
Brakes are rubbing. I think something's rubbing.
Rubbing?
I don't know what you might have to ride it.
Okay.
That's how there's something rubbing.
Oh, flip!